In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change classes in Guts and Blackpowder PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you are playing Guts and Blackpowder on PC or even other platforms, you can change between classes. In-game, they are called regiments. So all that you have to do is press N on your keyboard. When you press N, you will see select a regiment and class. So under classes, you will have Ranker, Officer, Seaman, Musician, and Sapper. You can click on any of these to see more details. For example, the Ranker has a long-ranged class that is very useful for precise attacks. Well-rounded, no significant downsides. The default weapon is equipped with the Bayonet, which can be used for melee attacks, and so on. Basically, all of these are going to have some form of upside, but also some downsides, probably. So all that you have to do is choose any of them, and you will have the regiments here. So you select a class, for example, Sapper, and then the regiment. Some of these will be locked. And regiments will actually cost Robux, so keep that in mind for the locked ones. After you have selected, just click on the option here, select. So you highlight class, highlight regiment, and then select. The next time that you respawn, you will be playing as that particular class or regiment that you selected. Simple to do, and you can change between infantry and specialists as well. So highlight any of them here, and you will be able to play as any of these classes in Guts and Blackpowder on PC. You can possibly do the exact same thing on other platforms, but the button to open the UI will be different, so just keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.